Tired of kitchen chaos? Today, we're diving into the 20 newest Amazon kitchen gadgets designed to make cooking faster, smarter, and totally stress-free. From futuristic tools to clever gadgets you never knew you needed, these picks bring innovation, convenience, and real results to everyday cooking. Stick till the end as we explore upgrades, smart features, and game-changing ideas that can transform any kitchen routine. Let's get started and make cooking fun again today. Number 1. KETIAN Long Slot Toaster. Start your morning with less hassle and more perfection using the KETIAN Long Slot Toaster. Its extended slots handle artisan bread, thick bagels, and toast evenly without burning edges, making breakfast smoother and faster. With adjustable browning levels and consistent heating, you get reliable results every time. It's a smart buy for busy kitchens that want convenience and great taste without stress. Deals like this don't stay long, so click the link below and upgrade your routine now. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. If you love eggs but hate waiting, this Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker is a total game changer. It cooks multiple eggs at once, boiled, poached, or scrambled, without standing by the stove. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or meal prep, it delivers consistent results every single time. No guessing, no overcooking, just quick, delicious eggs. It's ideal for busy mornings and healthier eating. With limited time pricing available, don't miss out. Click the link below and bring stress-free cooking into your kitchen now. Number 3. Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender. When you want fresh smoothies without dragging out a big blender, the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender is exactly what you need. It delivers powerful blending on the go, making shakes, smoothies, and juices in seconds. Perfect for fitness lovers, office use, road trips, or daily convenience. It saves time while keeping your nutrition simple. Easy to charge, easy to clean, and incredibly handy. This is a smart upgrade for any lifestyle. Grab it while deals are live, click the link below, and get yours today. Number 4. Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer Rolls. Food waste stops here with Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer Rolls. These durable, airtight rolls help you keep ingredients fresher for longer while locking in flavor and reducing spoilage. Perfect for bulk shopping, meal prepping, storing leftovers, or freezing meats without freezer burn. They're strong, easy to cut, and compatible with most vacuum sealers, making them a smart and money-saving investment. If you want longer-lasting freshness and better organization, now is the best time. Limited time deals are active. Click the link below and secure yours today. Number 5. JaneHome Electric Kettle. Make tea, coffee, noodles, or hot water instantly with the JaneHome Electric Kettle. It heats fast, delivers consistent temperature, and includes safety features like auto shutoff, so you never worry about overheating. Sleek, durable, and easy to use, it fits perfectly in kitchens, dorms, offices, or travel setups. If you appreciate convenience and modern style, this kettle is worth grabbing. It saves time, simplifies your routine, and looks great doing it. Deals won't last forever. Click the link below and upgrade your kitchen now. Number 6. Gluck 20-quart Air Fryer. Cooking for family or big meals just got easier with the Gluck 20-quart Air Fryer. This powerhouse handles frying, baking, roasting, and reheating with less oil while still delivering crispy, delicious results. Its large capacity means more food in fewer batches, saving time and effort. Simple controls, fast cooking, and healthier meals make it a must-have for any kitchen. If you want tastier meals with less stress, this is a smart investment. Limited time offers are active. Click the link below and grab yours now. Number 7. Keurig K-Express Coffee Maker. When you need great coffee without waiting, the Keurig K-Express Coffee Maker delivers pure convenience. With quick brewing, multiple cup sizes, and rich flavor every single time, it turns mornings into something you actually enjoy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for home, office, dorm, or small kitchens. If you love fast, reliable coffee, this is a smart upgrade that fits any lifestyle. Deals like this don't stay forever, so click the link below and bring cafe-quality coffee to your countertop today. Number 8. Taylor Swoden Glass Hot Water Kettle. Bring style and speed together with the Taylor Swoden Glass Hot Water Kettle. Its clear glass design lets you see water boil, while its fast heating system saves valuable time. Perfect for tea lovers, coffee drinkers, quick meals, and daily use, it's both elegant and incredibly practical. Safety features and easy operation make it stress-free to use. If you want a modern upgrade to your kitchen routine, this is a smart pick. Limited time availability. Click the link below and grab it before the deal is gone. Number 9. Oster Smoothie Blender. If smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks are part of your day, the Oster Smoothie Blender makes everything easier. It's powerful enough to crush ice and blend fruit smoothly, giving you creamy, delicious results fast. Great for fitness routines, breakfast, or quick snacks, it delivers consistency every time. Simple controls and durable build quality make it reliable and long-lasting. It's a smart buy for anyone who loves freshness with no hassle. Deals won't last long. Click the link below and take yours home today. Number 10. Black+Decker 12-Cup Coffee Maker. If your household loves coffee, the Black+Decker 12-Cup Coffee Maker is built to keep everyone happy. It brews multiple cups effortlessly, keeps coffee warm, and delivers smooth, rich flavor every morning. Perfect for families, offices, or anyone who needs serious caffeine support, it's dependable and easy to use. With its practical design and consistent performance, it's a smart investment for everyday comfort. Don't wait too long. These deals are limited. Click the link below and upgrade your coffee setup now. Sus. Number 11. Cuckoo Induction Pressure Rice Cooker. If you want restaurant-style rice at home without stress, this Cuckoo Induction Pressure Wet Rice Cooker delivers perfection every time. It cooks faster, smarter, and more evenly, whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or mixed grains. With advanced technology and effortless controls, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Perfect for families, meal prep, or daily kitchen use. It's a reliable upgrade. Deals won't stay forever, so click the link below and bring premium cooking convenience to your kitchen now. Number 12. Ninja Professional Blender, 1000 watts. When power matters, the Ninja Professional Blender steps in with serious performance. With 1000 watts of strength, it crushes ice, blends frozen fruit, and makes silky smoothies in seconds. Perfect for healthy living, meal prep, and everyday drinks, it delivers consistent results without struggle. Strong blades, easy operation, and durable build make it a smart kitchen essential. If you want speed and reliability in one machine, this is it. Limited time pricing is live. Click the link below and grab yours before it's gone. Number 13. Unicoff Powerful Milk Frother. Turn your morning coffee into a cafe-style drink with the Unicoff Powerful Milk Frother. It whips milk into creamy foam fast, helping you enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate without leaving home. Easy to use, lightweight, and quick to clean, it's perfect for daily coffee lovers. It's a small gadget that delivers big happiness, making every cup feel special. If you love smooth, foamy drinks, this is worth grabbing. Deals are active for a short time. Click the link below and get yours today. Number 14. Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker. When space is tight, but great coffee still matters, the Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker is the perfect fit. Slim, compact, and incredibly easy to use, it brews rich, delicious coffee in minutes. Perfect for dorms, apartments, offices, or personal coffee corners, it delivers convenience without compromise. It's energy efficient, stylish, and built for everyday comfort. If you want quick coffee without the bulk, this is a smart buy. Limited deals won't last. Click the link below and make your morning smoother today. Number 15. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Bring fun, tasty breakfast to your kitchen with the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. It creates perfectly cooked waffles, snacks, and treats in minutes, making mornings easier and more enjoyable. Compact, adorable, and super simple to use, it's perfect for families, kids, college students, or quick breakfasts on busy days. No mess, no stress, just great food fast. If you love something delicious and convenient, this is worth grabbing. Deals won't stay forever, so click the link below and upgrade breakfast time now. Number 16. Mulevid Slushie Machine. If you love icy drinks and refreshing treats, the Mulevid Slushie Machine brings pure fun into your kitchen. It makes smooth slushies, frozen drinks, and chilled desserts right at home, perfect for summer days, parties, or anytime you want something cool and tasty. Easy controls and quick operation make it incredibly enjoyable to use. It's not just a gadget, it's a happiness machine. With limited time deals available, now is the moment to grab it. Click the link below and enjoy chilled goodness anytime. Number 17. Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker. Busy schedule? The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker helps you enjoy home-cooked meals without standing in the kitchen all day. Just add ingredients, set it, and let it do the work. Perfect for soups, meats, stews, and family dinners. It feeds multiple people easily, making it great for families or gatherings. Reliable, convenient, and stress-free cooking at its best. If you want easier meals with better flavor, this is a smart investment. Deals are limited. Click the link below and take yours home now. Number 18. Frother Espresso Machine. If rich espresso at home sounds exciting, the Frother Espresso Machine makes it simple and satisfying. It delivers smooth, flavorful coffee with great crema, helping you enjoy cafe-style drinks anytime you want. Ideal for cappuccinos, lattes, and straight espresso lovers, it brings professional taste without complicated steps. Sleek, powerful, and perfect for daily use, it's a fantastic upgrade for coffee enthusiasts. With limited time offers available, this is the right moment to buy. Click the link below and elevate your coffee experience today. Number 19. Elite Gourmet Cool Touch Toaster. Say goodbye to burnt fingers and uneven toast with the Elite Gourmet Cool Touch Toaster. It offers even toasting, adjustable browning, and a cool touch design for safer daily use. Great for families, busy mornings, and everyday kitchen comfort, it delivers consistent results without frustration. Simple, reliable, and built for convenience. Essence. It makes breakfast smoother and stress-free. If you want an easy upgrade that actually improves your routine, this is it. Deals won't last forever. Click the link below and grab yours now. Number 20. WeVac Vacuum Sealer Bags. Keep food fresher, longer, and better organized with WeVac Vacuum Sealer Bags. These strong, airtight bags help reduce waste, protect flavors, and prevent freezer burn, making them perfect for meal prepping, bulk storage, and freezing meats or leftovers. Durable and compatible with most sealers, they're a smart, money-saving kitchen essential. If you value freshness and efficiency, this is a great buy. With deals active for a short time, don't wait. Click the link below and make your kitchen storage smarter today. Thanks for watching. If any of these kitchen gadgets made cooking feel easier and more exciting, don't wait. These deals won't last, so click the links and grab yours today.